Evertiq Expo Kraków 2025. I'm here with Otto Pukk from Incap. Hello, Otto.
Hello, Evelina.
Lately, Evertiq informed about your investment in UK. Tell us something more about it.
Incap, we keep on investing in our facilities, and for us it's very important that we have the latest equipment, because if we want to offer our customers to produce the latest electronics, then we need to have the hardware to do so.
So you are investing, but still, what is the situation at the industry?
I think everybody's a little bit hesitant on the market, and as you saw in our Q1 release, also a little bit slow start on the year. That said, we believe that this year still will be stronger than last year, and that the markets will pick up. So once the dust has settled with the new administration in the US, everybody knows what kind of tariffs and so are in place, and then I think business will return to normal.
And how do you find the future, like general future?
No, I think we put electronics in everything, and so the future for sure is bright. And I think the industry is developing, and there's a lot of new technologies and so coming out there. So for sure, electronic is the place to be also in the future.
Incap is a great company from Finland. Why did you came here to Poland, to Kraków?
Now we're here with our Slovakian team, so our Slovakian factory is just over the border here in Námestovo in Slovakia. So Kraków is the closest show that Evertiq is doing here, so that's why we're here.